you all. I hope you are fine at home. Students, in last lecture we have studied about lesson number 3 HCF and LCM. In that practice set 13 we complete our question number 1. That class you learn about how we have to find out the LCM. And today we are going to start our question number 2, find the HCF and LCM. See, question number 2, find the HCF and LCM of the following numbers. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given two numbers. Now in that what we have to do? First we have to find out the HCF and LCM and we have to verify that the product of this HCF and LCM and the product of the given number are the equal or same. That we have to find out. See, first question is given 32 and 37. We have to find out the HCF and LCM of this. How we can find out? See, as in last class we learned about how we have to find out this 32 and 37. Can you tell me which is the common factor in between these two numbers? There is no common factor. As see, 32 and 37. There are not any number is common except 1. So we can write 1, 32, 37 as it is. Because with one number it is not divided by this. That same number we cannot divide it to these two numbers. Okay. So there is only common is the 1. 32 is the 32 and 37. So we have to write as it is. Then what is the common? What we can say HCF? HCF of these two numbers is 1 and LCM. See, what is the LCM? That is whatever the numbers are there. What is the factor we got? That we have to do the multiplication or product of the factors. Then which are remaining are 32 and 37. 32 and 37. We have to write as it is. Now find out the product of this 32 and 37. What will be the answer our? When we multiply with this number, what we got the answer? 1184. Okay, that we have to find out with the multiplication. Then HCF is 1 and LCM is our answer is 1184. So already you learn about how we have to find out LCM. So it is easy now. You can do it easily, right? We have to just find out the common factors. There is no common factor, so we write this number as it is, and there is only one common factor, that is the 1. So HCF is 1, and what is the other number remaining for the LCM? Then 1 multiply 32 multiply 37. What is the answer now we got? 1184. See, there is no given find the HCF and LCM, that we got the answer. But next question what they ask, verify that their product is equal to the product of given two numbers. So that we have to find out. See, HCF and LCM. Okay, what they are asking? The product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of equal numbers. So first we will find this. HCF and LCM, what is the answer? HCF is 1 and our LCM is 1184. That is what we got the answer. Same answer we will got 1184. We have to give this equation 1. Okay, as we have to verify, so we have to give the equation number 1. Then next, product of the number. Product of the number what? See, we have to write as product of number. Which numbers are given? 32 and 37. See, our LCM is also same, 32 and 37. That means same answer again we will got 1184. That we have to give the equation number 2. In that Here equation 1 also the same number, equation 2 number also have the same number, right? That means this is the product is equal. So we have to write the LCM or whatever here given, HCF LCM is equal to, or first we have to write from equation 1 and 2, the HCF into LCM is equal to product of the number. Okay, that we have to write as your final answer. Now see, just try to understand this all the equations, and first we have to find out the common factor, then HCF, LCM, then we have to do the product of this HCF and LCM, then product of the number, we have to give the equation as the 1 and 2, and from the equation 1 and 2 that our answer is equal. Okay, like this step we have to follow. Now see the next question. What is our next question? See the question number 46. Question number 2. What is given? 46 and 51. Same, first we have to find out the numbers or factors. Okay. The 46 and 51. See, here is the even number, here is the odd number. If in this situation can you find the same factors or any number that divide to both this number? No. So again we can write the same as it is. Okay, that is 1, 46 and 51. That we got our answer. Okay, now next what we have to write? We have to find out first HCF. What is now our HCF is 1, which is the common factor, right? In HCF common factor, which is the common number is 1. Now second is the LCM. For the LCM, product of all these numbers, that is 1, 46, and what is the next there? 51. Okay, we have to do this multiplication of this number. When you will do the multiplication of this number, what answer we got there? 2346. See, when we do the multiplication of this number, you got this answer. And now I think you can easily do the multiplication of this number. All of you know how we have to multiply, right? Then LCM we got the 2346. Now which is our next step? That is the HCF multiplication LCM. What is our HCF? That is the 1, and our LCM is 2346. That means same answer we got again, and that we have to give the equation number 1. Whenever we have to verify, we find out here, but now we are doing the verification. So we have to do the equation number 1. Then next, the product of number. Product of the numbers. What is that? Which number is given for the question? That is 46 into 51. See, again same two numbers are there. So we can directly write down our answer 2346. We have to do this equation 2. Now from equation, in the previous question also answer also you have to write this state from equation 1 and 2. Okay, what? LCM and LCM is equal to product of given number. Okay, like that we have to write. Here also we can write down the product of the given number, and now our answer both are same. That means it is verification done. Okay, then next, see which is the third number. What is the given? See the third question, 15 and 60. Do this 15, 60. Okay. Here we can find out the common numbers, right? X. By which number we can divide these numbers? As you can divide this number by the 3. See, there is a 3. We can divide this number by the 3. Right? If we are taking the 2, it is not possible that we are dividing to the number 15. But if we are divide this number by 3, then there is a division can be done. Now 3 5 is 15, and here 3 2 is 6, and 3 0 is 0. Then again there is a common, which number we can take? 5. As the 5 is 5, 5 4 is 10. Right? What number we got here? 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 3 0 is 0. Then 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Okay. So we can, you got here number 1 and here 4. You can divide this number again as by the 2 also, or we can keep like as it is. Okay. Then what is the SCF? SCF is common numbers. Which are the common number? That is 3 and 5. 3 5 is 15. Then LCM. In LCM we have to write all the number. What is the factor we got? 3, 5, 1 and 4. Now do the multiplication of this number. When we do the multiplication, 3 5 is 15, 15 1 is 15, 15 4 is 60. So LCM is 60. Okay. Now verification. LCM into LCM. What is our LCM? SCM is the 50 and LCM is 60. Then what will be the answer? See, whenever there is a 0, you have to keep 0 as it is in the unit place and multiply 15 into 6. That is 90. Right? Now, product of, see, here we have to use the equation number 1. Now, product of given number. Product of given number, which are the given number are 15 into 60. Same again number we got. That means our answer is same. Verification done. Right? So, from equation 1 and 2, LCM equal to product of given number. Like that you have to solve all your questions and answer. Okay. Let us start question number 4. Just see the question number 4. What is given in question number 4? Which numbers? 18 and 63. Okay. In that, start 18 18 and 63. By which number we can divide both this number? I think 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Again we can divide this number by the 3. That is 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21. See, now there is a no common factor or no common number we can do. Now we cannot divide. So we have to run it or keep as it is. Then HCF, which are the common numbers? 3 into 3, that is the 9, and LCM 3 into 3 2 7. What will be the answer? 3 3 is 9. See, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, and 18 7 is that 126. Okay. Then next HCF and LCM. What is our HCF? It is the 9. And what is our LCM? It is 126. Then what will be the answer when we do the multiplication of this number? You got 1134. Okay. Then product of given number. Which are the given numbers are there? 18 and 63. When we do the multiplication of this number, again you got the same number 1134. Okay, this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, HCF, otherwise you can write the product of HCF and LCM. Okay, that also you can write. Product of given number. I hope you understood how we have to find out HCF and LCM and how we have to show the verification of this number. Now again try at home and solve this practice set at the home.